pumpkins is weird.
They will be donated.
All right, we're gonna grab some pumpkins.
Pumpkin time.
Pumpkin donated straight to us. We do not know these people, do we?
Go around here.
Hey, do we even know these people?
I don't know who owns like any of this.
Yep, here we go. We're getting some pumpkins. Oh yeah. We're in the middle of nowhere. Yeah. This is just a whole field of pumpkins. We have no idea. We don't know any of these people. We're just here. They're donating them to us. Here it is.
Yes, sir.
All right, let's go. No more pumpkin.
Oh my god.
That's what a 12 gauge would do to a man.
It's in like half.
He's changing up. He's got a pistol now.
This thing is done. Like it is. Yeah, there's no more pumpkin left.
Everything's just fine until you jackknife just a whole truck. Just a whole truck. Just a whole truck. Right there.
It is perfectly in the way here. I think we should leave it.
Here's his science fair project. Yeah, that's your science fair project, right?
Yeah, the science fair project.
We gotta build this in what, like 56 days?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, we gotta build this whole thing in, we gotta build this whole thing in like 56 days.
Oh, hey, man, we got the nicest piece.
Chevrolet, oh, this thing's ready to go. We're moving this thing because we need some room.
Oh.
Yeah, she's even got a glove box.
It doesn't shut.
No, why would it?
Yep, it's dust.
So this is a 1949 Chevy 3600 truck that I've known forever because my dad bought it when I was little, and it's never gotten finished or done. But this bimbo over here decided that we can build it for a senior seminar class. So we got to build it in 56 days, and this is exactly how it is right now. Let me just show you this. All right, this is just hold on, just see how that's moving and that isn't. Yeah, no.
The steering wheel. She's got power steering.
So 56 days starting today, so we are deciding to move it out. We've already been preparation for that. That's the motor and transmission that's going to be going in it that me and him built. But we have it completely jackknifed in the barn because moving it in here because we got to cut out the whole thing, and it's going to be a fun experience, isn't it? Why?
Yeah.
All right, we got her nice and jacked up. There, that might not roll out. That's rolling out. That tire's spinning. That's coming out. Here, we'll do this one and see if we can just push her on over. And now you're gonna watch us struggle horribly. That was way too easy. Well, that just went way too easily. Get away. We're gonna jack her up, get off of these things. We're gonna just scoot her back. And make sure to just grab on somewhere. You think that's something?
No.
Okay. All right, let's see. She's free. Get away. On that. All right, drop her down. Easy. Oh, that was way too easy. Oh man, he's work calling it himself. Oh, she's getting close to her final home. She's got to be back there, but that motor is directly in the way, and I don't know about that one, but now we have all this open room, which is really nice. It's like would you say it is? It's like a New York apartment.
Yeah, this has more space than a New York apartment. That would shatter this window. This window already has a hole in it.
So the plan is for this thing is, like I said about 18 times already, we have 56 days in total to get this thing with a motor in it, with correct wheels, because those are split rims. If anybody knows what split rims are, they will kill you. Wheels that match, so we can get a good estimate on the frame level to put the motor and training in, which is over there, which we need to move. Probably run brake lines, maybe get an interior, probably not. Maybe get a bed, probably not. And then it's got to run and drive, right?
Sure.
56 days. I think we got this. She does got some stance to her though. It's gonna be cool to bring this thing back to life. No matter what, we got a motor for it because we have a V6 over there, which will never be put in this truck. We got that one over there, which was built for this truck. Then we have another one over there, which I bought to put in a go-kart. Hey, you want to like blow off some fireworks?
Absolutely. Let's go.
Okay. Oh my God, he's still going.
So cold. Come on. No.
It's freezing. Come on.
Oh my God, please.
Yeah. It's going. $56 days, right?
56 days. I could jump through it.
I don't know. Yeah.
It's a little too late now.
It's a nice rock.
Colin's back.
Hi.
He's seen the Ford.
That's obviously for off-roading purposes right there. See that?
That will
See that right there?
that will kill you.
She's a rally.
You talking about just everything or the
truck.
split rail?
It's a rally truck. No. You gotta air down your tires to get over those bumps. Should we start her up?
I think so.
Should we start her up?
Hey.
I think it's time to start her up.
He hasn't started up in a while.
Oh, she's a little cold. We gotta get her.
Yeah, she's pretty cold.
She's a Lamborghini.
I'm trying to get Colin to take this stupid 4.3 that I don't need out of my barn.
We're gonna rear engine the Acura.
I don't think they know his car. He has an Acura. Come on. This is Colin's car. I don't think it's ever been on here before, but he has the nicest car in the fleet. How much oil does it burn?
Nope. It's right up there.
Okay.
Let's just say, if I was not responsible with my cars, I'd never have to change the oil again. Put it like.
Sorry to interrupt your girl talk. Is this gonna actually like happen in like 56 days?
To some degree, yeah.
What do you think?
It's up to Tony Brown.
That's my dad, which means this is not gonna happen.